Hello everybody, I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. Today we are in Tombal, Texas at the world famous Goodson Café. Goodson Café is known for some of the best chicken fried steak on the planet. And the rolls are amazing too. We are waiting on a couple of friends to get here, but let's go inside and let's go see what's on the menu. My friends aren't here yet, but I'm gonna sit here and enjoy a nice cold beverage. I've actually been at my mom's property doing her yard work all day, so this tastes amazing. But anyway, this is an awesome place. It's been here for a very long time. I'm so excited. I've eaten here plenty of times, especially as a kid. I've been coming here for a long time. I'm really excited about seeing the look on my friend Dan's face when he gets a hold of the chicken fried steak. He loves American food and he loves chicken fried steak. So I told him, today's my treat. We're gonna get the best one, I think, on the planet. I think they're here. Hello, hello, hello.
Nice, I like it.
You like it?
Yeah. Oh, it's cool. I already made homework. What they have.
They have the world's best chicken fried steak.
Oh.
This is a treat for Dan. Dan's actually never been here before, right? And he really likes American food, chicken fried steak. It's gonna be awesome.
Can I get you all something to drink?
And these are homemade biscuits, and they'll keep bringing them out
Until you can.
as long as you're eating them. Even you probably could take some to go.
Yeah.
But they make this is really, 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 really good homemade gravy.
Gravy.
Wow, that's amazing. I think after 2 of these, though, I'll be done. Amazing. Well, I got me a side salad as one of my sides, but that looks like an entire meal itself. That thing is huge, with 2 ranch dressings too. Yay. What do you think about that? Are you hungry?
It's a glass because you can try some of mine.
Wow.
I'm not gonna finish it.
Yeah.
That's pretty big. It's got its own plate. Of course, I'm the smart one. I got the small. And Apple got an awesome looking steak. What kind of steak is that?
It's not my bed, no.
Ribeye.
Ribeyes,
Oh.
yes.
What'd you get, bud?
Chicken fried chicken.
Oh. Well, Dan's just gonna dig right in. Well, you got an option of white gravy and brown gravy. He got okra, and she got some. What are those beans called there?
I don't know.
Butter beans. Butter beans are real exciting beans, because in about an hour you're gonna be. And Paige got chicken fried chicken with green beans and corn. Chicken fried chicken is really good.
But it's big also. I love it though.
น่ารักจัง
ให้ชักกี้ดู
Mm.
Jalapeno
And the
cucumber.
lady's got a jalapeno cucumber margarita. That's gonna be interesting. Butter beans. Mm. Homemade mashed potatoes. Man, that's so good. Mm.
บราวน์เกอรี่
Very, very good.
สีขาวก็จะ
Mm.
เป็นครีมเป็นกินกัน
I'm full. You're almost there. Okay, let's give it a try.
Jalapeno cucumber. It's good.
It's pretty good, actually. Yeah, it's really good. I think Dan's gonna finish it. He's already gravied it up. So I guess that means it's not going in the box. Because I don't think that'll go in the air fryer real good. What about you, Ben? Not gonna happen?
No, I'm already happy. Lunch.
Well, I finished my little steak. He's almost done. She said that some pretty big guys have come in here before you that could not finish that chicken fried steak. So, almost there. Paige is done.
I'm done.
Well, that's it, Dan. You are the champion chicken fried steak eater. I don't know where you put all of that stuff. We may have to check your pockets later. But good job, man. Very good. Very good. You still got some okra, though. Well, guys, I don't know about you, but I am full. Are you full? Almost? Anyway, guys, thank you so much for coming with us today. I hope you can come to Texas, come to Tombal, and come to Goodson's Café. If you liked the video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.